Let me say this. America has done so much evil. There's no saving America. I'm going to say that again. America has done so much evil. There's no saving America. Now, put your wisdom in your studies against the wisdom and the knowledge of the Most High. I can assure you, God's wisdom would trump what you think, feel, or think you know. There is no saving the United States of America. Nothing will ever go back to the same way it used to be. It's going to get worse and worse. It's not going to get better. God is calling his people back unto himself. I don't care if you ain't religious. I don't care if you don't believe. The truth is the truth. For one, I'm not into religion. I'm into what God said in his word, and I'm into truth telling. The United States in this world will never go back to normal. You heard it from me. You can replay this tape over and over, whether I'm still on this earth or whether I have crossed over to be an ancestor or what have you. It's time to get your focus right and really find out what you're fighting for and why you're doing it and who you're doing it for. The chickens have come home to roost.